All right, so I liked my old sconce well enough, but it did not have the capability to do dusk to dawn stuff. I wanted dusk to dawn and I wanted motion detection in there. So the people at Seovix sent me this for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are going to be my own, and I'll show you how easy this is to install. Obviously, if you're not comfortable installing a light, I have an electrician do it for you, but I'll show you how I do it. It's pretty easy. Let me show you what you get with this. It comes packaged safely in styrofoam. You get the fixture itself, you get the hood that comes with a nice brass hood. All metal design. You can see the motion sensor on the front here and the dusk to dawn sensor. And the absolute coolest feature of all this is already pre-wired on the inside, so you don't have to wire the motion detector up. You don't have to wire the dusk to dawn thing up. It's going to be as simple as black to black, white to white, ground to ground in my case. Your wiring may be different, but mine's pretty standard. They've given you the hardware to mount to the junction box. And they've given us 3 wire nuts, and they've given us the screws to mount to the junction box. And they've given us the screws and washers that are going to mount the fixture itself to the junction box. So let's set this thing up. It's pretty easy. All you're going to need to install is a pair of needle nose pliers and Phillips head screwdriver. I'm just going to use a drill. They gave us the hardware to mount to the junction box that's behind here. But you may luck out and find that your old sconce hardware here fits exactly onto this one like this one does. So this is perfect for me. All I have to do is rewire it and hang it up and I'm good to go. Obviously, you're going to want to make sure the power's off before you do anything. This thing's super lightweight. It sticks off the wall about 8 inches, just the normal sconce size. So the first thing I like to do is wire the ground onto here. Tighten it up, and now I can just let the thing hang there. I can work with hands-free. And again, like I said before, they already wired everything for you. So all you have to do at this point is go white to white and black to black. They've even stripped the wires for us and everything. So I want white to white, I want black to black, and there we go. Now we're ready to test it, see if it works. Love that it's a regular E26 light bulb. You also on the side here, you've got motion detection settings and you've got dusk to dawn settings. So we'll play with that. If you wanted to switch the light from motion mode to regular manual mode so that it's on all the time, you could double click the light switch twice in 2 seconds and it'll override it and put it on manual mode. So another tip you might want to do before you actually go to put this in place, make sure that these are the right length. These screws adjust out and then you tighten them down right here. So I've already got that in place. I'm not worried about it. So just do one at a time. We'll just simply put this piece here, and take the cap right here, screw this on, put our light bulb in, and we're done. Make sure it works. Also forgot to mention they've given you an easy to read and easy to understand set of instructions here. I've got it turned all the way to the right here. You can see when I cover it up, the light comes on. All right, I've got this set right now so that it's off, and when it detects motion, it'll turn on. I have to trigger it from the inside because if I show it on the outside, all my other solar lights will go off, motion detection lights. So here we go. There you go. So now I've got it adjusted so that after 2 minutes, it'll trigger itself to 30% light. I actually like that it stays on as long as it does. You know, scare somebody away if I had to. All right, there it goes, down to 30% light. I like that it stays on as long as it does. There it is, pretty awesome.